Hello students, welcome to physics class. In today's lecture we will study about dimension of physical quantity. The dimensions of physical quantity are the powers to which fundamental quantities are raised to represent that quantity. For example, suppose we had to find out the dimension of area. Since we know area is equal to length into breadth, so we will represent this area into fundamental quantities. Length is represented as L, and we know that nature of breadth is also same as of length, so we will represent breadth also as L. So area can be written as L into L. So L into L is equal to L square. So what we will say that area has two dimension in length. This power of L, which is 2, it is called dimension. So area has two dimension in length. Whenever we have to write down the dimension, we also take in the form of M, L and T. Actually this represents the dimensional formula for area. Dimensional formula we will write down it as M0, L2, T0. What does it indicate? It indicates that area has 0 dimension in M, 0 dimension in T, it has 2 dimension in L, means it does not depend upon M and T, as the power of M and T is equal to 0. It depends only upon L, and how it has 2 dimension of L. Next one is volume. Volume can be written as length into breadth into height. So it can be written as L into L into L. L cube. Power of L is 3. So volume has 3 dimension in length, and since it does not depend upon mass and time, so volume has 0 dimension in mass and time. So dimensional formula will be M0, L3, T0. One more example I had shown here, speed. Speed can be written as distance upon time, or distance is represented by L, time by T. These both are fundamental. So LT minus 1 means speed has 1 dimension in length, minus 1 dimension in time, and it has 0 dimension in mass. So its formula will be M0 L1 T minus 1. As we had seen the dimensional formula of these three physical quantities, so if we have to define the dimensional formula, how will define it? The expression that shows which of the fundamental quantity and with what power enters into the derived quantity or derived formula of that quantity is called dimensional formula. कि फॉर्मूला विच गिव्स अस द इंफॉर्मेशन, आप इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं, द फॉर्मूला विच गिव्स अस द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट द गिवन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी डिपेंड्स अपॉन on what fundamental quantities or on which fundamental quantity and with how many power. That formula is called the dimensional formula. Next one is dimensional equation. Dimensional equation is obtained by equating the physical quantity with its dimensional formula. For example, acceleration has dimensional formula m0 lt minus 2. तो हम यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड पर क्या लिखेंगे, विद इन ब्रैकेट विल राइट डाउन एक्सेलरेशन, एंड राइट साइड पर हम क्या लिखेंगे, डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला. सो दिस it is called, this equation is called dimensional equation, means which equates the physical quantity with its dimensional formula. For example, dimensional equation for force will write down on left side within the bracket, and it is equal to m1 l1 t minus 2. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ डायमेंशंस. हम डायमेंशंस जो यहाँ पर स्टडी कर रहे हैं, हम इसे कहाँ कहाँ और यूज़ करते हैं, व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ डायमेंशन. First of all, to check the correctness of physical relation. Second one, to obtain relationship among various physical quantities involved. Third one is conversion from one system of unit to another. And fourth one is finding the dimension of constant in physical relation. We study all these uses one by one in detail, and this topic is very, very important. Generally we get numerical from this topic in our exam. So we'll start with first use to check the correctness of physical relation. If physical relation is said to be correct dimensionally, if dimensions of various terms of both sides of equation are same. For example, suppose we are having an equation, all of you know this equation. It is second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Suppose we have to check whether it is dimensionally correct or not. So what we'll do, we'll find out the dimensional formula of each term. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. We'll find out the dimensional formula for s, dimensional formula of ut, dimensional formula of half a t square, and what we will observe, dimensional formula of s. S is distance, so its dimensional formula is m0 l1 t0. ut, u is initial velocity, और यू कैन से m0 lt minus 1 velocity और speed. अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा है डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, lt minus 1, एंड टाइम, डायमेंशन ऑफ टाइम इज t. दोनों को अगर हम सॉल्व करते हैं विल गेट m0 l t0. हाफ ए टी स्क्र, सिंस हाफ इज डायमेंशन लेस, कॉन्स्टेंट क्वान्टिटीज का कोई डायमेंशन नहीं होता, इट इज डायमेंशन लेस. सो विल राइट डाउन द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फॉर ए, m0 lt minus 2 into t2. Again we will solve, it is m0 l1 t0. Since all terms have same dimensions, so the given relation is dimensionally correct. It is also called principle of homogeneity. This is all about for today's lecture. Have a nice day.